As of July 24th, 2024, Disney Genie Plus and individual Lightning Lane reservations are going away. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about the system that's replacing them so that you're prepared for your next trip to the Disney parks. Hi everyone, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Starting July 24th, 2024, Genie Plus will be rebranded as Lightning Lane MultiPass, and individual Lightning Lanes will be rebranded as Lightning Lane Single Pass. At Disneyland Resort in California, a rebrand is all that's happening, but at Walt Disney World in Florida, there are many more changes coming. Guests will now be able to purchase and make Lightning Lane reservations prior to their visit. Guests staying at Disney-owned hotels, the Walt Disney World Swan and Dolphin, and Shades of Green can purchase and make their Lightning Lane reservations 7 days prior to their date of check-in, starting at 7 a.m. Eastern, and can book for their entire length of stay up to 14 days. Guests staying off-site can purchase and make their Lightning Lane reservations 3 days prior to the start date of their tickets, starting at 7 a.m. Eastern, and they can book for all ticket days within their valid use window. Guests with annual passes or tickets still requiring Park Pass reservations will need to refer to the terms of their specific admission media to determine when they can purchase and book Lightning Lanes for their visit. Lightning Lane MultiPass and Lightning Lane Single Pass will still be available for purchase through the My Disney Experience app, but now guests will be able to view both pricing and available reservations before making their purchase. Guests using Lightning Lane MultiPass can reserve up to 3 attractions per day prior to their visit. On the day of their park visit, they can make additional reservations one at a time, starting when they use their first reservation. The 3 reservations made in advance must all be in the same park. The guests who have park hopper tickets will be able to make reservations for other parks as soon as they use their first reservation. Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Hollywood Studios have grouped their attractions according to demand. Guests may pre-reserve only 1 attraction from Group 1, and the other 2 must be from Group 2. If guests wish to use all 3 advance reservations on attractions from Group 2, they are welcome to do so. Animal Kingdom's attractions are not grouped, and guests may pre-select any 3 attractions from the Lightning Lane MultiPass list. For the most in-demand attractions in each park, guests may purchase a Lightning Lane Single Pass for up to 2 attractions per day. Guests will be able to view pricing and pre-select their arrival window before checking out. Guests can choose to purchase either Lightning Lane MultiPass, Lightning Lane Single Pass, or both, and guests purchasing both will now be able to do so in a single transaction. In addition, a new Lightning Lane tile will be added to the My Disney Experience app to make it easier to purchase and view Lightning Lane reservations. For guests who don't wish to purchase either system, standby lines will still be available, and rides that offer virtual queues will still continue to do so for no additional charge. As you can see, there is a lot of complexity to the Lightning Lane system, and we haven't even talked about a strategy for which rides or times you should try to reserve first. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the system, that's where I come in. If you book your Disney vacation through me, you will pay the same amount you would pay to book it on Disney's website, but I provide concierge-level vacation planning services for free. I give you a Lightning Lane strategy along with loads more insider tips. Plus, I monitor your reservation for new discounts and even help you book your dining reservations. To get a quote on your vacation, visit my blog at GingerMMT.com or click the link in the description below. Again, I'm Ginger Pierce with Marvelous Mouse Travels. Thanks for watching.